All right. Here we go. We've built, so far, a fully functional simulation. But we can do even more with the agents we've built. So let's show you why, as developers, no-code agents can be really a powerful tool in your tool belt. And we'll show you how high and no-code agents work together.
All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to share the Marathon Planner agent in Gemini Enterprise. Then we'll show how all types of users can create their own no-code agents to make work easier, like for me, getting out of meetings at work. But actually doing serious things also, like logistics work, ordering all the water, bananas, and porta potties.
All right. So, Jason, let's pull up all of our Gemini Enterprise-enabled agents. All the agents we've created in Agent Runtime are automatically registered in Agent Registry. They're discoverable by other agents and apps, included here in Gemini Enterprise.
That's pretty cool. So now let's actually see where they're at, right? Here we are in the Gemini Enterprise app, and we can see that the Planner agent is available for us to use. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Here, I have a test session where I'm planning a marathon for 10,000 runners in Las Vegas. And when we use Gemini Enterprise with our agent, we still get dynamic interfaces back with A2 UI. Our high-code agent features work on both custom apps and standardized surfaces here in Gemini Enterprise.
This is cool. All right, so now let's say that we're ordering things for the race, so water and food and even music to keep people entertained. And we usually just use a very long Google Doc to track all the steps.
It is so long.
Planning marathons as well is a team sport. So our committee usually needs to get many people involved for all the different steps. And it's a lot of thankless work. So let's create an agent to handle the planning and ordering. And we'll give this document as context to the agent. So go ahead and open the Gemini Enterprise Agent Designer.
All right. Here we are in Gemini Enterprise's Agent Designer. We've given a prompt to Gemini Enterprise to create an agent that is an expert at planning and ordering for a race, using this prompt here. And since this takes about a minute for Gemini to create our team, we pre-populated it. And Gemini's design that it created is over here on the right. And if you remember from earlier, agents that you create in Gemini Enterprise are automatically registered back in Agent Registry, so you could use those elsewhere if you want to also.
And with that one prompt, Gemini Enterprise created a whole team of agents for us. So we have the main agent, which coordinates all the planning and ordering with a team of sub-agents that are experts in their specific area. All right, so let's click on the main agent. Notice that Gemini created a detailed set of instructions for the agent we could choose to customize further. Jason, let's give the agent access to our document about ordering supplies as context. And we just need to provide it with the Google Drive link. You see that users don't need to know how to codify this document. Here, we simply give the document as context to the agent and always has access to the up-to-date information. All right, so let's update it.
All right. So now, the moment of truth. Let's come back to our conversation that we have with the Marathon Planner agent. And what we can do is we can actually change the focus of our discussions, in this case to the supply chain agent, then ask it to make a comprehensive plan, including the logistics we need for the race. And what's cool is that now the agents will work together to actually create our plan. We have water and food. We have things like the mileage that things need to be placed. We have entertainment. And most importantly, we have porta potties.
Very important, all those porta potties.
So important.
All right, so this is high-code and no-code agents working together for us to make race planning easier. Great work, Jason.